Just got off the plane. Now we're wandering across the tarmac. We'll pick up our luggage and then we'll head to the car rental place where you guys will see the fancy machine that I've picked up for the next few weeks. Okay, let's figure out customs and baggage and get going. All right, got our bags and we're just about to go find a taxi. I smell bacon. We're at the rental place. We're just in a dilemma because my original plan was we were gonna get a van like this, a little bit smaller, that we're gonna tootle around in and we're gonna sleep in the back of it. But they've offered us this fancy SUV. But then we won't be able to sleep in the back of it. So we're just trying to decide which one we take.
20 minutes later.
Well, we've opted for the SUV. It's a hybrid, so we'll have a lot cheaper gas ride. Plus I have my tent with me anyways. So while we won't be camping in the back of a van, we'll hopefully spend a few nights here and there camping in the tent somewhere by a cliffside. Right now, I'm just gonna figure out how to drive this thing and drive on the wrong side of the road. And it's only 3K to the hotel, so we should hopefully get there without incident. Let's find out.
We're all...
And right off the bat, I ended up on the wrong side of the road. Right out of the parking lot. Why is this car coming at me head on? All right, so we've got 3K and it's gonna be a slow drive to get there. So just wandering around and I managed to find the Jameson factory. What we're gonna do is go in for a tour and check out the whiskey from Jameson.
What they tend to do, right, they tend to close their mouth, and that's okay. But a little tip for you guys, have a smell with your mouth open like so. Do you notice that softens it?
Oh, it does.
Yeah, see that vanilla caramel?
And you taste it on your tongue.
Yes. Now have a taste, have a taste. Have a taste. Now, is there a sweetness on the taste? Yeah.
It's on the back of your
Yes.
tongue.
Now the second time you can try this with many whiskies, but I want you to have a little taste. I want you to hold it on your tongue for 3 seconds. A small sip, hold it in your mouth, 3 seconds. Chew it, yeah. So chew it for 3 seconds.
All right, we just finished the tour and we end up in the obligatory gift shop.
Yeah.
Through the tour and back into the bar area. Yeah, I basically learned how you get malt and barley and change it into whiskey. And then you go and get drunk. All right, we happened upon this peninsula, which is, looks like it's called Sutton, because there's a north and a south Sutton. And way over yonder there, looks to be called, it's called the Cliffs of Howth. H-O-W-T-H. Howth? Howth? Something like that. We're gonna go grab some dinner in the tiny little town over here. All right, let's go see what I grabbed to eat. I've ended up at another pub. I think there's gonna be a lot of pubs on this trip. We're at the water side now. And I'm about to order some fish and chips. Here it is, my first fish and chips. And a burger. Okay, dinner's done and day one is done. I am exhausted after all my flights, haven't slept at all. Time to get back to the hotel, get to bed, get some rest, and we'll see what we get up to tomorrow. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.
Is it on?
Here I am. Why are you filming yourself?
Oh.
You're like that guy on the ski slope looking through the island. So in 1780, John Jameson threw open his doors and allowed... So we basically learned how you take malt, or barley malt,